Hello, Airmen, Guardians, and families. Welcome to our new Legal Assistance video series. This series will focus on resolving special education disputes that may arise between you and your child's school. Remember that our legal assistance attorneys are available to help you and your family as you build your special education advocacy toolkit. As you walk through the series, consider taking notes and visit your installation legal assistance office should you have any questions about the information that is provided. In the first video, I will discuss common disputes in special education, options for resolving disputes, and what types of information you will need to have handy. Regardless of what option you intend to pursue, there will be some basic information that will be necessary in order to file your complaint. When special education disputes arise, they may often involve one of the following. I will list these for you in no particular order. Number 1, eligibility determinations. These involve identification, evaluation, and testing to determine whether your child is qualified for special education services and accommodations. Number 2, a school's alleged failure to provide a free and appropriate public education, otherwise known as FAPE, or to implement services and accommodations as described in your child's Individualized Education Program or IEP. Number 3, perhaps your concern is regarding a disciplinary matter where you believe your child's behavior is related to or symptomatic of his or her disability. And number 4, comparable services. As military families, we are very transient. We move around quite a bit. Related to this, we may face challenges when dealing with obtaining comparable services for our children from the receiving school after a PCS move from one location to another. Now that we know where disputes tend to arise, let's talk options for resolving them. I always advise clients to start at the lowest possible level when attempting to resolve a special education dispute. Convene an IEP meeting to address your concerns. But if your concerns are not addressed in the IEP meeting, you might consider filing a state complaint, requesting mediation, filing a due process complaint, or perhaps even a court appeal. Irrespective of your approach, there is some basic information that you should have handy. Of course, you will need to name your student and the school. You will need to list your contact information and sign the complaint. Be sure to state how you believe the school is violating state or federal laws, and also be sure to state the dates of the violation. This is very important because there are certain limitations on the times for filing complaints. You should also include proposed resolutions or remedies and any evidence available to support your position. Now, as we go through the series, we will begin to talk in depth about each of these resolution options. Also, remember that your installation level JA is available to help you with your legal issues in special education. Attorneys can assist with further understanding your dispute resolution options, as well as understanding your rights, reviewing IEPs, and ensuring you are prepared for IEP meetings. To find your local legal assistance office, just scan the QR code on your screen. I look forward to sharing more information with you as we continue through the series.